Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is Robert, and today I am bringing you to an unboxing which has a certain colour theme to it, which is why I'm wearing this. Now today's unboxing is obviously going to be for my week 2 order, where it was obviously dunk week, and you know, it went well for me in the end in comparison to some other hyped weeks where they've released shoes or collaborations of that calibre. So yeah, I can't really complain because everything went well in the end. Now I know a lot of people have had a ton of issues, and we'll go into that in a minute as to, you know, just what the issues have been. But if your order has arrived, let me know down below. If it hasn't and you've got shipping, let me know down below. But if you haven't got shipping yet, don't worry, because we'll just talk about it in a minute. So yeah, but yeah, mine arrived at a really weird time. Like, my shipping hadn't really updated, and then all of a sudden last night at like 7 o'clock, there was just a knock on the door and a guy obviously finishing his rounds and delivered it. So yeah, we're just going to get straight into this. As always, let me know if your week 2 orders in general have arrived, or if your week 1 have also arrived, because I know a lot of people didn't have their week 1 either, and if you're going to be stocking, rocking or reselling what you picked up. But other than that, let's get straight into this. So before we get straight into things, let's just take a quote from Anthony Joshua with, "Man, it felt so nice the first time. I had to do it twice." Because, apologies for the cringe, but something went well in the end for me, to say the least. So let's move those to the side just for a moment and just talk over things. Now, a lot of people have been having issues with their shipping, which is just what we're going to talk about for literally like 30 seconds to a minute. Basically, a lot of people have had pending charges and charges that are just sitting there. They haven't gone through yet. Some have had their charges go through, but they've been worried about Supreme, you know, and everything. And basically, what I just recommend is to not send an email to them, because in any scenario, it's the thing of, if you send an email or you call the store, in the past when people have called like the store and said, oh, you know, I haven't got a confirmation for my order or something, or this and that hasn't happened. In most cases they might say, oh yeah, you know, it was sold out, your order didn't go through, so on and so forth. So some people have been sending emails saying they've got their order confirmation, they've had a charge, there has been no shipping update or anything like that, what's going on, and they're just getting like a copy and paste email in return, basically, that's just, you know, Control C, Control V, and they're just going through like that, just back and forth. So basically, don't send an email, don't call or anything, just wait it out. As long as your charge goes through and is, you know, done in the end, just wait for it, and hopefully it does arrive. Now, in a small number of cases it might not arrive, and unfortunately that just happens in the end, and that's the thing about hyped weeks. You know, sometimes pending charges just drop off and it just ends up being a ghost order, or even if you've got a confirmed thing and it went through and everything on your screen, it just doesn't work out. So yeah, for those whose orders do arrive, congratulations. For those who don't, I'm sorry that they haven't. And yeah, when I'm about to go and do an unboxing of this, it might not mean a lot in that case, but yeah. So you're probably wondering, what happened? How did this end up this way? So basically, do not do this. This is like a disclaimer. Do not do this ever, because this is like, there's like that 99.999 like whatever percentage number. This is that like small percentage number where something went right for me, but probably shouldn't have. So I know a lot of people get confused and stressed with jigging their addresses. I'm gonna make like the briefest summary that I can for this, in that you can order multiple items to the same address as long as your email, name and card are different. Because my brother, myself and a family member did that for a number of seasons and weeks, because we're different people, but we just live at the same address. They understand that different people live at the same address, but the thing is, if you want to order multiple in your name, email and so on and so forth, or maybe different email or payment method, then you do need to jig possibly some details. In this case, I didn't do that. I just used a different email, same card, same address, same everything. Now, the reason that happened was because my autofill, unfortunately, instead of being set to my email, it's set to my personal email at the top instead of the email that I use for like raffles, entering things, buying like everything. It's my general email. Instead of that, I clicked the top one because that's what I thought it was, and it just filled that in and all of the things. So whilst the order that was like card declined was going through in the end, the other one was also processing at the same time. So when I went on to that one, had my reaction, the other one also processed, and I clicked on that afterwards, and that's why my mood goes from up here to down here, because my stress levels just rocketed. So yeah, that's enough explaining. That's enough explaining done. Let's get into this anyway. I haven't checked the prices of these, because obviously the 2003 ones rocketed up, and they're probably going to, jeez, I'm having an issue. They're probably going to continue having, you know, their price increase for a long duration of time. But yeah, I can't believe this though. My brother's pair, I don't know when his are arriving, but he'll probably message me when they do. But you can't really see anything. Just this Supreme. I need some of this for packaging, so I appreciate that. But that box is damaged. That's good. Oh well. Stickers? No. Shouldn't expect that much if the box comes like this. Nice bit of dust as well to wipe off. Are they my size? Yes, they are my size. Nice. Right. You can see first. Does that do anything? Yeah, I mean, I'm not really holding it at the angle. Oh, wow. They look massive for my size, but yeah, let's just get them out. Let's get them out. Because one pair I did want personal and then stock the other, but yeah, oh, they're nice. I need to move this like across. There we go. So let's look over them and let's go over them. So let's just hold them up close first and foremost, so that you can just see them in, well, just full detail. So yeah, I mean, I can't really say too much else. There's the little world famous that you normally get with their like collaborations. They're on the inside. Can this actually come out? I love to take the insole out, but I genuinely can't get a grip on it. So yeah, but it just says Supreme and Nike SB. You should be able to see there. So obviously I picked up the blue colorway, UK 9.5, personal size, and yeah, they look great. I'm so happy that I was able to get a pair. It's not as vibrant, like light blue as I was thinking, because that's why I wore this. I thought it'd be quite fitting to match, but it's obviously not that like vibrant in the end. But as an overall, like, they're still great. I'm just hoping that the other pair's box isn't damaged, because this could just be the pair that I keep as like personal whenever I will like crack them out. But yeah, there they are. Additional laces are also blue and no white, just blue. Huh. Thought they would have put like a white pair of laces in there, but yeah, there they are in all their glory with their stars and everything. And yeah, I'm so happy that I was able to get a pair. I've seen some people say they had cracking or something of the sort on their pairs. I mean, I haven't noticed anything so far. I just noticed like glue and stuff left on them, but yeah, that's about it. There's some bits and pieces to clean up, but other than that, that's about it. So yeah, let's open up the other pair now. And obviously the paper says Nike, or Nike SB Supreme. So yeah, so second box, a little bit more worried about, because as you can see, it's sticking out to quite a degree in the end. But let's crack it open and hope that the box is in better shape. Supreme, please, better shape, better shape, better shape. No, same condition, and we get a standard box logo sticker as well. I saw a lot of people also get like bubbles and things, but I mean, this one's more damaged at the back or at the side than this one, but it's still damaged, so oh well. And this, yeah, is the exact same. So we cracked this one open. This one is definitely the better condition one, and yeah, just it's I mean, for manual people, you know, I'm standing up and being like, yeah, look, you know, there are some like small marks and scuffs and things that I can notice that are just, don't know if they wash off or what, but at the end of the day, it's for supreme quality control, it's probably as good as it's going to get in the end, to be honest. So yeah, but that's everything in the end. As you can see, obviously, I ended up with multiples. For the thumbnail, I'm probably just going to include me holding them like this because I don't want to spoil the aspect of the second pair, because it will probably make people happy but also mad at the same time that I ended up with two. But yeah, I literally didn't do anything special. I was expecting genuinely to get both of my orders cancelled as like an overall. I honestly thought that I would be like cancelled, or that they would cancel my orders, like both of them, because I ordered two. That's why I thought they're gonna cancel me, that's it, you know, it's over. So yeah, but I'm just baffled that I've ended up with two pairs, and it's absolutely amazing. So yeah, these are definitely just going to be stored. The box is not so great, but it is what it is, you know. I've had worse. Actually, I haven't, but I have with some places, with like some pairs that I've bought, but not to this degree. But anyway, I'm not going to complain because I've got Supreme Dunks. So yeah, it's amazing. Thank you for all of the support on the Thursday video. By the way, I really do appreciate it. I'm still making my way through all of the comments. I should finish them all by the end of today, or responding to them all by the end of today. But yeah, that is going to cover it anyway. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, a like and a sub and whatever else would be much appreciated. But other than that, I will see you tomorrow for a live cop, which is for some more Nike. But yeah, I was just looking, I just noticed that the Adler, I believe it is, at the end says world famous, which is normally, you know, like the little tip part to the lace. It's not going to focus in anyway, but that just says world famous right there. But yeah, that's quite cool, but that is going to cover it anyway. Yeah, I'm quite happy to say the least. And that is going to cover it anyway. So thank you for watching. I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.